Welcome to yet another exciting episode with Project X. This is your boy Mongi underscore Chavi. So today we'll be looking at US30, where I'll be showing you my analysis of how I took the previous trades that you just saw. Basically I'll be sharing my information, how I take trades, and how I've been profitable in those past few years. I've been trading for like 2 years now, and yeah, I am profitable. And yeah, I'd like to take this moment and appreciate you watching this video. I'd like of you to like subscribe and hit the like button and leave out your comments. And should you wanna get further off my information, like everything about me, take trades with me, and all the like, you can just click the link up there, my WhatsApp link, and yeah, just text me anything and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I promise. And yeah, I've been the broker that I'm using is Globex 360, which is a very reliable broker. Same day withdrawal, like less than 24 hours, you get your money. It is based in South Africa and is friendly. They have a friendly user website. Everything is just legit there. You can just also check it, and I'll give more information on how to sign in and everything in the WhatsApp group that we have as a community. So let's get on it. So basically, as you can see, this is on the daily time frame. I like every time I like starting on the weekly, just to see what the market has been doing. So yeah, but because this is a trade I've taken before, I'll just take you back so you can see how I took the trade and everything. So yeah, let's start. So basically, at first, I like using the line chart. Line chart helps me see the right movement of the market without any wicks and everything, the noise it has. So yeah. So I first mark out my channel. Sorry, mark out my channel. Go back to my candlestick and see potential moves that the market will have to do. So basically, as you can see, it has been respecting this channel, going up, down, up, down, up, down, as you can see. So basically right now we're expecting a move to the downside, as we all can see. So because you just have to react, you don't have to predict the market or guess. This is not gambling, guys, so be careful with that. We just wait for the market to give us what we are waiting for. So right now, sorry, this is not a paid version of trading view, so my replay will end on the daily, and this trader actually took it on the daily, so there's not much of a difference there. So basically I'll go back to my line chart again to mark this channel that the market created here. So basically now we have a pattern inside a pattern, as you all can see. It's a pattern inside a pattern. So what I'm expecting right now is the market to come and make this 90% rule, which I would gladly explain to you in the WhatsApp group that I've just shared and everything, if you're interested in like getting the full detail of this setup that I'm trying to get right here. So right now I'm expecting the market to pull down to this zone and see if it's giving me any sign. Right now I'm not seeing anything. I'm just waiting for the market to react, because it might just go up, continue, or it might as well come down, go up, and then before going down like that. So we're just gonna wait and see how the market is gonna react to this trend line, since it's been respecting this trend line. So let's just see how the market did. Okay. So if you'd see right now, one thing that I want you to guys see is that the market now has started to like trickle down, and it has broken this trend line. So giving me and the idea that okay, it should come here, but before coming here, it has to come and it has to be a balanced market. So the market always has to be balanced. What do I mean when I say the market has to be balanced? The buyers and sellers have to be in equilibrium. The market shouldn't go without that being like balance. So what I do is try and find imbalances in every way that the market might have created an imbalance. So what's happening now, I'm gonna just look this few candles and see where possible imbalances have occurred. So far in this area, so far the market is balanced. So if I would maybe in another video I'll be explaining how to really spot an imbalance and what is really an imbalance. But so far now I'm just sharing how I took and why I took this trade that you just saw. So the market so far here, it is balanced. It is balanced. It is balanced here. It just mitigated this imbalance, then it went down. So far the market is balanced until this point. Yeah. Market now, what happened is that there were only sellers in the market, as you can see. There were only sellers in the market, which now the market has started to create an imbalance. So now I'll mark it as my first order block, which the market has to mitigate before continuation to the downside. So I just take my 10-day and mark this imbalance which the market has created. So now that I've marked my order block, this is called an order block. Order block, and it has an imbalance, order block with imbalance. So this is what this is. So okay, now we're gonna wait and see how the market is gonna react and try to mitigate this imbalance, which it always does. So that's when the institutions get in and trying to mitigate imbalances and everything. That's when we maximize. You understand? So now it's a waiting game basically. You have to be patient in forex at all times. So the market, it might come here and make a 90% rule, or just come back and mitigate this imbalance, where then we will take it. Our entries will be here to this downside. Understand? So this would be our stop loss, because the market is not expected to go up past this zone or rather this order block, because here the market has been balanced. It is balanced. You understand? So now the only movement that the market has to do is come and mitigate this imbalance and continue. It can come down before mitigating the imbalance, but eventually it will come to mitigate the imbalance and also come down. So basically that's the move. Those are the moves that I'm waiting for right now. So yeah, so let's see when the market is deciding to like come up to mitigate this imbalance. One thing you should be careful of, do not trade the mitigation. We always trade when there's complete mitigation, and yeah, the market now is balanced. So we only trade that. We don't trade the mitigation. We only trade when the market has done the complete mitigation. So let's see how the market performed. So now the market is rejecting, as you can see. Now that's when I bring up my Fibonacci. This is not just a Fibonacci, it's an altered Fibonacci, which works best with my strategy. So the market has to reject 50% plus of this impulse. So the market will reject 50% of this, 50% or more of this impulse. So now I'm waiting for the market to go up. Once it mitigates here, then my orders will be filled. So right now, I'm just gonna go back to my candles and then put in my risk to reward. This is my first TP. Mind you, this is not the one that this is not the default Fibonacci. Then I'll change this and it's just my trading style. It's not something special about it. It's just me. So this will mark my stop loss. And yeah, as you can see, my stop loss, I like putting it just above the zone. You understand? So my entry will be right there. So yeah. So what I'm expecting now is the market to come up here and retrace and go back to the low that it has created. Otherwise, the market can just go down up until this level, or when it gets here, it might go up again to test this level again. So now let's wait for the market to mitigate and wait for our orders to be filled. That's how we actually take this trade. So now waiting for this mitigation. Mind you, we don't take trades like going up. We take them when the market has completely mitigated this imbalance. So now let's see how the market did. As you can see, our orders is not yet filled. And one of you might be like taken by the fear of missing out and stuff. No, with my strategy, the market always come to mitigate an imbalance. We don't fall for the fear of missing out. Or fish, I've been struggling with that for the longest time. But now, because I know the strategy and I trust it, I just wait. I just place my orders, continued my business as usual. So yeah, now it has tagged me in. As you can see, I'm tagged in the trade right now. Again, you see, I'm tagged in, and the trade is in me now. We're going down with it. We're going down with it, and also don't fear. It's okay now. The retracements are always there. The market can never like go in a straight line. So there will be retracements in the whole trade. Just be patient again. Be patient getting in, be patient going out. We're waiting for the market to hit our take profit, and then we're out of this trade. Done. Our take profit is hit. So this is how basically I took this trade. For more information, you can just hit the link in my description up there by the right corner, and just text me on my business business account there, and I'm gonna walk you like each and every step that you need, particularly with regards to this strategy. It has been working for me for the past 2 years. I've been studying it, and now I'm glad to like come out here and share to everybody who is watching right now. Again, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Project X signing out. Thank you.